If you want to master all OLL steps quickly and easily, stay with me till the end. I'll walk you through every essential tip step by step, so I'll never get stuck on the last layer again. In the first case, we have the line mode, and we need to ignore the other corners that are in yellow and run the formula in this mode. F R U R prime U prime F prime, and create the plus. The next state is called the L, and is solved with the same formula as before, but with one difference. This step, in the motion of F, two layers move together. Double F R U R prime U prime double F prime. In point mode, you run the formula from whichever side you want until it becomes L mode or line mode, and then you solve it. In fish mode, you should run this formula in this mode, that the yellow corner is facing you, and run the formula R U R prime U R U2 R prime. The next mode is the opposite of the previous model, and in no yellow corner, and you run the formula in this mode L prime U prime L U prime L prime U2 L, and a yellow color is formed. H mode. In this mode, the two yellow corners are facing each other. Hold the Rubik's cube that the two yellow corners are facing you, and run the formula. F R U R prime U prime. Repeat 3 times. And F prime. In the next case, two of the corners are facing away, and the other two are facing you. And in this case, it runs the formula that the paired corners are on the left. R U2 R2 U prime R2 U prime R2 U2 R. You should place the 8 shape, which looks like the number 8. That a yellow corner is facing you and to the left, and move the Rubik's cube upwards, which is called the X move, and run this formula. R prime U R D prime R prime U prime R D. Tank mode. In this mode, the two yellow corners are facing each other and not facing you. You run the formula and make sure to use a small r, so that the two layers move together. R U R prime U prime L prime U R U prime. Tank mode 2 has the yellow corners facing you, and you run this formula: R2 D R prime U2 R D prime R prime U2 R prime. If you want the next video to cover every single OLL case step by step, let me know in the comments. And if you have any questions, drop them below. I'll reply you. Don't forget like and subscribe so you won't miss what's coming next.
And I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed.